Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this stylish 108 in the collection specification. So this vehicle has 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, there's air conditioning, automatic headlights, and you also get a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1-litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. The car's done under 6,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.